Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial for Blink.new, okay, the AI app builder. If you remember the old days, you actually had to spend weeks setting up environments, debugging obscure errors, and just needing a whole team just to launch an MVP. But that actually was back in 2023. Now it's 2026, so welcome to Blink.new. If you can describe it, you can deploy it. Today, we're not just writing code, we're dreaming software into existence. In the next minutes, I'm going to take you from absolutely zero to a fully deployed, full stack application. No prior experience needed. We're going to build something real, a community tool landing library called Toolshare Neighborhood. So if you're ready to just skip the learning curve and just build, click the exclusive link in the description below to launch Blink.new and follow along. Let's blink this app into reality. Okay guys, here's the Blink interface. Do not let the simplicity fool you because under the hood, this is the most powerful developer agent system on the planet, okay? You can swap between the different modes like light and so on, so on, so on. So yeah, just keep that in mind. The biggest mistake that beginners make in 2026 is being too big. Do not just say make a landing app. You need to act like a product manager. So we need to define the stack, the core features, and the data structure in one go. I'm gonna start with this prompt in here, and I'm gonna be very detailed. So you can see I'm specifying what kind of stack that I want to use. In this case, it's gonna be a React front end, a Node.js middleware, and a managed PostgreSQL database, okay? And it says users need to authenticate via email. And I've been given, what the main dashboard should contain, a tool of photos, description, and current status, okay? So yeah, I'm being quite detailed, as you can see. Now, what I love about Blink.new is the fact that you can choose between different models, okay? You have all of them pretty much, and you can also choose between different themes. However, I recommend you keep this to auto because it's gonna do the best job in most cases. And also, you can just set this to private, okay? If you have like an, upgraded account. Anyways, let's start building. So guys, in the old days, this is gonna take 2 days or so, but now, you just have to watch the preview and see how quickly this is gonna go. The AI is gonna start thinking and it's going to start working, and you can see here every single step that is taken, and that's gonna give you like the details, and maybe if you wanna like edit something, this is gonna be very useful for you. For example, here, Blink is actually setting the different colors, the fonts, and so on. So yeah. Okay guys, so it only took like a couple of minutes, and as you can see there's a little error in here, and what you can do is you can click on fix issues and the agent is going to try to fix it, okay? So yeah, this is going to be actually amazing, and it's one of the best tools that I like. Okay, amazing. Blink created a database, authentication, and built a front-end infrastructure. So we're gonna test this, okay? I'm just gonna sign in here. That's gonna take me to this page. And I'm just gonna sign in with a fake email address and a password, and let's see what happens. Amazing, it actually worked, okay? Now I'm gonna go to my tools in here, and as you can see, everything is working fine. In order to test the database connection, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click on add tool in here. So I'm just gonna add like a hammer, and you can give it like a description, for example, like heavy duty claw hammer. And you can even attach a photo, which is actually amazing, guys. And look, guys, this is actually incredible. The CRUD operations, meaning create, read, update, and delete, they're functioning just fine already. We have a working functional database inventory. But right now, it is just a list. We need the landing part of the landing library. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna come to the chat in here, and remember that you have two modes, the chat and the agent. And I'm just gonna ask Blink to build this, okay? So I'm just gonna say, great start, now add a functionality for borrowing. On each tool card, if the status is available, which is the case for my hammer right now, show a borrow button. When click, change the status to check out and record who borrowed it. If it's check out, show a return button that makes it available again. Only the person who borrowed it should see the return button. And I'm just gonna click on, execute. Okay, so great. Now we have the power button and everything's working just fine, okay? Functionally, we are actually done, but this looks a bit like, 2024 default. So let's give this, this mother 2026 vibe and scene, okay? We're not gonna touch the code. We're just gonna ask for the vibe. Even you have the code access in here, we don't want to code. So yeah. So guys, this is the prompt that I'm gonna use, okay? The UI is to generic, redesign the entire app with a modern dark mode theme, ensure the mobile layout is perfect. You want to do this because sometimes the mobile layout or the mobile application is not gonna work fine. It's gonna look weird. So you also want to use this kind of prompt to make sure that it's fantastic. And now we want to use like a dark mode theme because it's very modern. So now let's click on it. Okay guys, so I actually ran out of credits because I started prompting a lot as you can see here and making modifications, but yeah, we built a full stack authentication database driven tool landing library in under 10 minutes. So we want to share it with the world now, okay? So what are you gonna do? You're just gonna come to the public section here. And as you can see, this is gonna give us this, preview domain that we can just copy in here and we can open in a new window. So guys, this is gonna be live right now. This URL is accessible to anyone on the internet. So Blink is gonna handle the hosting, the scaling, the security, and everything pretty much, which is pretty amazing because you don't have to worry about anything. You can just pay your subscription for Blink and forget about the rest. However, you can also add like a custom domain if you want to come in here, and this is going to allow you to, connect your own domain in case you want to do this, okay? You have launch a bunch of different options, such as the API keys and all of them, okay? So you can do a lot of stuff, really. You can even view the code and things like that. So guys, this is the reality of software development in 2026. The barrier to entry isn't learning to code anymore. It is learning to communicate your ideas clearly. And Blink.new is gonna handle the rest, okay? So guys, do not just watch me do it, okay? Build your idea today. Click the link in the description to get instant access to Blink.new and start creating, okay? That's gonna give you some free credits. And of course, you have a free plan that you can try and start building these applications on. That is quite generous, actually. And let us know how it goes, okay? But for me, this is a great tool. Thank you so much.